See if this will start again. Okay, it's getting signal. It's starting. It started again. Yay. All right. So now that I've taken care of that, the other test looks fine. All right. The other test is captions. Do I have captions? Hey, I have captions. All right. So perfect. Looks like this. Okay, let me check this in another view just to make sure that everyone sees captions. And then I'm going to do one more thing. Let's see here. Back to my test stream. All right. So yes, there are captions flowing. Yay, captions. Welcome back. Okay, so there should be captions on Twitch and on YouTube. Yay. So that was problem 1. Taken care of. Problem 2 was the double posting of my accounts. Where is... I don't know why it thinks I'm logged in twice to my account. Maybe I'm logged in on another device. That just kept me in for some reason. I don't know. So, all right, let's do this. So I'll probably get a double post. Okay. So we're sending to Twitch and YouTube. But if I say this, if I do the command, it's going to post twice in Twitch chat. I think. Maybe. Yes. It showed up. Okay, it showed up twice in my widget down here, not in Twitch chat. And bot, are you awake? You should have done your the command thing. You feeling okay there? You feeling okay? There we go. Okay, so that part worked. All right. It's napping. Yeah, it needs. There it goes. All right. Needed a nap. Let's see here. What else do I have? Okay, the only downside with this chat is that StreamerBot thinks I'm logged in twice somehow. And I have no idea why. So, let's make sure I'm logged out of other places. Sorry, I'm checking my iPad. Because I could be logged in on my iPad, and that could be an issue. Okay, so how do I log out of Twitch on the iPad? Button. Okay, but I want to log out. Okay, no, I don't want to do any of this. I just want to log out. Log out. There we go. Yes. Log out. Okay. We've logged out. Then if I close and reopen StreamerBot, let's see what happens. Okay, logging out on the iPad was harder than it should have been. StreamerBot. Back up. I'm still logged in twice. Why? Why am I logged in twice? Well, what I could do. I don't understand. All right, so I need a solution for the chat. So right now I'm using the combined chat thing that StreamerBot has. So my messages are going to Twitch and YouTube, but my widget, StreamerBot thinks I'm logged in twice when I'm not really, and I don't know how to solve that. Um, why it is because when I go to native Twitch and I look at who's in the channel, I'm only in here once, right? So that's why I don't understand. Okay, but if I type the command in here, okay, so that was just typing in Twitch chat. So yay. So because that I don't have that assigned to a YouTube command. YouTube is not receiving enough. That you should be receiving plenty of video. YouTube, what are you talking about? And what? Okay, why is this poor? There should be nothing wrong with any of this. Let's see here. If I maintain smooth, well, you're on latency anyway, so doesn't matter. I should. Okay. So I'm very confused as to what YouTube is. The setting YouTube and then looking at my own YouTube stream because my YouTube stream looks fine. So I'm just going to close this widget and ignore it. And then we'll reload and look at YouTube, which is, of course, behind. So I can use, yeah, that's a bit behind, but I don't see anything. Like just watching the stream, I don't see anything wrong with it. So I'm not sure what YouTube was complaining about there when I was looking at the analytics view. But when I just look at the live view, everything's fine. So, okay. Sure. Right. And we're not taking up a lot of CPU. We are taking up more CPU. But we're at, because I'm forcing the graphics card to do the encoding, so I'm taking up 2.7%, where usually we're only about 1 with other methods. So this is taking more power because I'm forcing my graphics card to do a little more. Here. Okay. So I have live subtitles, so that's the bonus of doing this, but the double chat thing is just kind of bothering me. Like why my chat widget thinks I'm in twice? Why does StreamerBot think I'm in twice? I don't have a good solution here. I don't know why. Just weird. Okay. I wonder if it's because I am on. Oh, I don't want to account. Okay, so I'm signed in on my. Interesting. It could be something to do with me being on the YouTube account as well. And it's just, for whatever reason, it's doubling that up. But if I connect my bot account, then maybe I won't have this issue. That could be a thing. So I'll work on that later. Okay. Is there anything else? Happy Halloween if you like Halloween. I'm probably going to go watch some horror movies. Let's see. Trying to think what else I can do. Oh, new version of SpeakerBot available. Well, we'll have to try that out then. Full list of changes. Yes, please. Let's see here. SpeakerBot, new edition. Add some more logging during shutdown. They added a new TTS engine. Speech engines tab has completely changed. Right, that's why I was waiting to re-implement it because the speech engines tab changed. Add new methods and tweets to WebSocket server. Add Twitch subscription mod. Okay, user info. Add a headless mode. I don't know what that means. SpeakerBot and its libraries are now digitally signed. All right. Then it did some updates and a bunch of fixes. Okay, so I'm going to mess with SpeakerBot here this week, and we'll probably go over that on Tech Friday. All right, so this is fine. It's just so the widget is okay. Cool, yeah. Widget was okay. It just takes a little more power. I just want to figure out that double sign-in thing, and I think there's got to be a solution to that. Okay. Send Twitch as a. Oh. Okay. I may. Yeah. All right. So if I did that, I hit a slider, so I'm going to test out what that does. So it should say Hatomancerbot, right? But again, this is. It shows the other thing. Okay. That. So that doesn't work that way. All right. So if I execute an action, and we'll do the same one. Okay, so that just sends it to there. Crud, I wasn't watching. I gotta test this on YouTube chat. Sorry, you're gonna see the action again. I just need a separation here. Execute action. All right, doing the same action again. So you'll see it again. Okay, interesting. So if I set, so in StreamerBot, there's a chat window which shows you the combined Twitch and YouTube chats, or you can just do the Twitch chat or the YouTube chat. Now, when I type something, just as me in there, you'll notice the chat widget, for whatever reason, picks up both, and StreamerBot is convinced that I am logged in twice. But if I just type into the Twitch chat, that doesn't happen. If I execute a command via a menu in StreamerBot, it will go to both, and it won't double up the command, which is nice. I just got to figure out how to eliminate that other me that appears. Is it posting to each and then showing up from both? But only on Twitch. It's not doing it on YouTube. So I'm only getting double on Twitch, and only if I type in the combined chat. If I just type in Twitch on its own, everything's fine and good. Yeah, so if I type over here, it still shows up. Yeah, so yeah. Oh, yeah, look, it came up over there too. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So both appeared. Okay, so I can't have that on if I'm streaming on Twitch. Okay. Okay, so hi, let's try this now. Okay. Hi. Yeah, the that's how I know that it's different because the pronoun is the Twitch me, right? And then the one without the pronouns is more testing. Hi, Herb, welcome on in. Okay, so I'm going to type over in YouTube chat. And that shows up. Okay, I can't have it showing up on stream, though, like that. So that's a problem. Or if there's something I can do with the chat widget. Or if it's a StreamerBot thing. This is what I don't know. Now I gotta figure out where I put the chat widget. Right. Okay. Generator. Okay. So is there any way in here? All right. I'm looking at the chat widget interface that goes through StreamerBot. And oh wait, might have it solved. We'll try this, see if this works. But I got to adjust properties here. Paste that. Say okay. All right. Now if I do it, what happens? Okay, so I say hi. Hold on. Refresh that. All right, that went weird. I can't even see my text is all different now. But it's only appearing one line. Okay, so something happened. Direction. Oh, why did that go away? Okay, I see. Uh, something changed on my thingy. Hold on, one moment. I think I solved the one issue, but all right, try that again. I'll yeah, I'll have to change a couple other things, but okay, refresh. Hi. All right, so that is sort of almost working like I want it, but not quite. Okay, so for some reason, I just had disable click a checkbox in the chat thing, and it works fine now. So so okay, don't have to worry about that. All right, that was gonna bother me. All right, background color. Message color, background color. Copy that. Sorry, I'm messing with the. Oh, there we go. That's what I wanted. Okay. I had to reselect all the things I needed to reselect. So, username color needs to be that color. Uh, background. Sorry, I'm messing with things. Yeah, live because why not, right? Um, because now I changed one thing, and of course the rest of it's like, nah, fam. I'm just waiting for examples to come up. That's why it's a testing stream. Exactly. Okay. Uh, badges on the left, fine. There was another thing I did, I'm sure of it. All right. So, okay. So we'll copy this URL, and then we'll go back to here. Properties. Okay. Do a refresh just in case. All right. So now, if I type here, hello, it appeared once, appeared only on Twitch. Oh, no, because, yes, and it appeared on YouTube as well, like it should. But the important thing was down here, it only appeared once. That was the thing we had to correct. Okay, cool, corrected. Yay. All right. So bot do the that's right. I know why it doesn't do the command because all right, there's another multi-chat I'm going to try because the thing with the streamer bot multi-chat is that it doesn't do the commands unless you type go to a menu where you ask it to execute an action. Now that I did that, that appeared in both YouTube and Twitch, and no doubling. Yay! So that's what I wanted. That was the solution to all that. Is it posting to each and then showing up from both? Let's see here. Where was that? Yeah. So it's yeah, it's so I'm sorry, I'm trying to organize the thought here. So it's posting to Twitch and YouTube at the relatively the same time, and it's not doubling down below. So no matter what I type here, it's going to both places, which is great, which is exactly what I wanted to have happen. So it's a little inconvenient with StreamerBot actions, though, because I do have to go click, instead of just typing !DC for my thing, I do have to hit a hamburger menu and then execute action, and then I select the StreamerBot action from the StreamerBot chat. And that's the only way the action will pop up in both chats. So if I use another multi-chat widget thingy that I've heard about, maybe I can also type in my StreamerBot commands using that, and everything will work like I need it to work. So, okay. So that's not quite the color orange I wanted, but it'll work for now. I'll fix it later. But yay, yeah. So I can't even remember where I found this. I think this this chat widget thing is available on as a StreamerBot widget, and it's an HTML file, and you can configure it, and it all saves locally. It doesn't go anywhere. It's just on your machine. You just say, hey, I have StreamerBot WebSockets. Yay, use those. And then underneath there's a section on this HTML page that says streamer.bot, and below it says enabled Twitch and YouTube, and those were both checked. once I unchecked YouTube, it stopped the doubling down there, which is all I needed it to do. All right, so, and YouTube stream looks fine. I don't see anything wrong with the YouTube stream. I'm getting, let's see here, my CPU usage is up to about 3% using the multiple RTMP widget. Let me put that link into chat of what I'm using now instead of Restream. We are using, nope, I don't want guides, I want plugins. Let's see here. So here's that link. So that's what I'm using right now. Because the RTMP of the YouTube stream is going through my computer, it takes some more system resources to go to both Twitch and YouTube, unlike the Restream thing, where it's going to Restream servers and it's not taking up so much of my computing power. And the only thing I couldn't get working with Restream for some reason today was the closed captioning bit. So that's why I decided to switch to try this other thing. I had the closed captioning with Restream working once, and only once, and I don't know why it doesn't work after that, but maybe I'll try it again. But yeah, this is working. This is fine. I'm going to power up a game and see what happens real quick. How much more does this take? I'm going to hit play. You might hear Baldur's Gate 3 noises. I'm not actually going to put it on stream. I just want the game to be running, and I want to see how much more power it takes with this. And my computer's working hard at it, but it's still loading the game, so. Working. Okay. Got it. I go to the game stream. Game view, it pops up. That looks fine. Wait for YouTube to catch up in a minute or 5, because YouTube latency is weird. Let's see. Yeah, watching me on YouTube is pretty neat that the Restream takes on the effort for you when I've got Twitch and YouTube open to simulcast. My laptop's not too happy about it. Yeah. The only thing, now I could find another solution for captioning that just has them on screen no matter what I do. That puts them into OBS at the same time, though. Ooh. Yeah, because I can hard caption. I can hard caption this. Yeah. So if I was to use something like Pixel Chat, this wouldn't even be a consideration, and then I could put lower latency on the YouTube stream. not worry about it. So I guess I'll look at captions to find out which one might work a little better. All right, let's quit the game right now. So yeah, the CPU usage still not going above 3%, which is fantastic. Yeah, so there's advantages and disadvantages to each thing. What I also like about this RTMP plugin is that there's way more customization to it. You can change the bit rate and a whole bunch of other settings just using it, and it's really easy. I like that. But Restream taking care of resources for you is kind of the big bonus. I just, for whatever reason, I haven't been able to get closed captions to pop up on the auto-generated thing. So I'll look back into adding in other closed captions, I suppose. But this is, only an issue because I'm multi-streaming. If I wasn't doing this, I would be fine with one or the other, right? But since it's both, yeah. Okay, so I can double chat now without worry that it will go both places. Both good and a little overwhelming that there's tons of options. Yeah. Yeah, and I gotta think about which one I want to recommend to people, right? And you can also use Atom vertical plugin, but there's disadvantages to, or I think it's just called the vertical plugin now, or something like that. Atom vertical, maybe. But then that takes up the plugin that you're supposed to be using to create vertical clips for it. But you can do it that way too. But yeah, I would really like this to work with the auto captions on YouTube. That would be amazing. I'd really like Restream to work. I got it working one time. I don't know why it doesn't. I don't know why it didn't work this morning. Maybe I'll try it again. I don't know. Maybe it was just the order in which I had things in place. But yeah, I'll try it again. Well, that'll be tomorrow night's experiment, I think. Getting through that. Because I want to make a video on this, and yeah, I just kind of want to go. Here's solution for this. Here's, what's easy, or do I mention everything? Because there's already videos that mention all three, but none of them kind of dive into a thing. Like a couple do here and there, but yeah, I think just one video covering one of these options would be great. And again, this is probably only working for me like this because I, have the power computer right now. All right, so I got to think about this more. I will try Restream again because that takes a lot of consideration. Then I will get that multi-chat widget again. Let me see if I can find that real quick, just so it's posted somewhere. Multi-chat widget for streaming. Oh no, Restream does multi-chat. That's true. And now that, yeah, so no, Restream should be fine for the live chat, and I wouldn't have to worry about clicking other buttons to use my StreamerBot commands. They should just all work. So then the only consideration is how to get the captioning to function properly, right? Because we want to lighten the load on people's systems. And yeah, I can with the with this widget, this OBS plugin, I can have as many places as I want, but every place is going to be more stress on my system, right? So instead of just 2, like Restream gives you, I could do 5, but if I did 5 at a time, my computer would probably cry. Right, there was a oh, I know it. Okay, yeah, I'll look this up later. Or if I can, I think I know who had it. I think that just occurred to me. So where is there this person? Ah, that's what I was looking for. Okay. So the guy who made Video Ninja has a thing called socialstream.ninja. And so if I jump to the download and install instructions, please. So it is a oh, I see. It's a Chromium widget. Oh, there's a standalone version. Yay. So I'd want the standalone version. So yeah, we'll have to try this. I have to try the standalone widget. So what I'm looking at is actually I'll just give a link to the video, and then you can follow along with whatever you need to. But here is that's the video by Steve Seguin, I think, maybe the creator of Video Ninja. And yeah. So I'll be testing that out for a multi-stream chat, I think. That'd be pretty cool. Okay. So, I think that will be all for tonight. And then usual stream tomorrow, noon Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. And recording another session of Werewolf tomorrow, so There might be another test stream on Thursday or very late on Wednesday tomorrow. Oh yeah, and there's a time change coming up on November 5th or so if you're in the U.S. Thanks for the stream. Yeah, thanks for being here while I poke around at things and tech. Let's see. Yeah, we'll find other solutions. Okay, so I will see you all tomorrow. Really appreciate everyone being here, and have a great evening. Bye.